Insert the GPS antenna and tighten the screws. Tear off the paper and stick the GPS antenna under the front windshield. Insert the camera input cable. Insert the low-pin USB cable. Insert the RCA cable. Connect the pin USB harness. Insert into canvas box. Plug the power cord into the port. Plug the canvas plug pin into the port. Insert the radio adapter cable. If your original car has an AUX jack, you need to connect the AUXL to the AUXIN in the RCA harness. If your vehicle has an OEM camera, select one of the 4 adapters that matches your car's port. Connect the yellow video signal cable from the chosen adapter to the camera input line.